Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth wireless headphones to Xbox One. First, it is important to understand that your Xbox console does not inherently support Bluetooth audio for headsets. This means you cannot directly pair your wireless headphones without an additional piece of equipment. We will explore the necessary tools and steps to bridge this gap, allowing you to enjoy your favorite games with your preferred audio device. This setup opens up a world of convenience for your gaming experience. To get started, you will need a reliable Bluetooth audio transmitter. Look for one that connects via a standard 3.5mm audio jack, which typically plugs into your Xbox controller. Ensure your chosen transmitter is fully charged or has fresh batteries before you begin the process. Also, make sure your Bluetooth headphones are completely charged and put them into their pairing mode, ready to connect. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick setup. Now, let us move on to the actual pairing process. Begin by plugging your Bluetooth transmitter securely into the 3.5mm audio jack on your Xbox controller. Next, ensure your wireless headphones are in their discoverable or pairing mode, ready to connect. Then, press and hold the pairing button on your Bluetooth transmitter until its indicator light begins to flash. Your headphones and the transmitter should connect within a few seconds, usually indicated by a solid light. It is a straightforward process to get them talking. After pairing, the next step is to test your new audio setup. Launch any game or app on your Xbox and listen for the sound through your wireless headphones. You might need to adjust the volume levels directly on your headphones or through the Xbox audio settings to find your ideal listening experience. If you encounter any issues, try restarting the pairing process or ensuring both devices have sufficient power. A quick repair often resolves most connectivity hiccups. Enjoy your enhanced gaming audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.